Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to delete Workspace in Expensify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can confidently remove a workspace you no longer need. Before we begin, make sure you're using the new Expensify interface and that you have the right level of access. Only Workspace admins or owners will see the option to delete. If you don't see the menus I mentioned, double check that you're logged into the correct account and that you're on new Expensify, not the classic version. Start by opening your browser and heading to the new Expensify homepage. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand navigation panel. This is your main hub for moving around the app. There, locate the section labeled Workspaces. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover or expand it so you can see the names clearly. Click Workspaces to open the list. You'll now see all the workspaces you have access to. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one, especially if you manage multiple workspaces with similar names. Deleting the wrong workspace can't be undone. When you're sure, click the workspace you intend to remove to open its overview. Inside the workspace, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll find a menu labeled More. This is where Expensify groups advanced actions and settings. Click More to open the dropdown. In the dropdown, choose Delete. Expensify will show a confirmation prompt at this point to prevent accidental removals. This prompt is important. It's your final checkpoint to confirm you truly want to proceed. Review the workspace name one last time and consider whether anyone still needs access to its reports or settings. If you're certain, click Delete again to confirm. The workspace will be removed and members will no longer see it in their list. Depending on your connection and account size, the change should apply almost immediately. If it doesn't refresh right away, try reloading your browser or navigating back to the home screen and into Workspaces again. A couple of tips to wrap up. If you don't see the delete option, it usually means you don't have the required permissions, so check with your admin. If you're cleaning up old or test workspaces, it can help to quickly review any pending reports before deletion so you don't disrupt anything active. And if you arrived here from a direct link but the page looks different, return to the new Expensify home and follow the left navigation as shown. That's it. Clean, quick, and secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.